Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss some very important works of Noam Chomsky, and I will be discussing it in a chronological order so that it becomes easier for you all to remember them. Because many a times I have seen there are questions on reordering the Chomsky's works in a chronological way. So this video will be very helpful from your examination point of view. So let's start with the video. So his work starts from 1957 basically, in which he published syntactic structures. After 2 years he published his review on B.F. Skinner's book Verbal Behavior, and his review was published in 1959, while B.F. Skinner's Verbal Behavior was published in 1957, in the year where Chomsky published syntactic structures. Now, after this review, in 1964, Current Issues in Linguistic Theory was published by Noam Chomsky. After that, after a year, in the next year means he published Aspects of the Theory of Syntax. And the fifth one is Cartesian Linguistics, which was published in 1966. Now comes a very important work which is also known as SPE, that is the Sound Pattern of English. It was published in 1968, but Noam Chomsky was not the only author of this book. This book was co-authorized by Maurice Halley also. Okay, now in the same year, that is 1968, Language and Mind was also published along with SPE. Now in 1970, one seminal paper of Noam Chomsky was published, and which was known as Remarks on Nominalization. Okay, in this seminal paper, basically he talked about X-bar theory for the very first time. Talking about 1972, two works of Chomsky published simultaneously. One was Studies on Semantics in Generative Grammar, while the other was Topics in the Theory of Generative Grammar. Means both the works of generative grammar were published in 1972. Now, in 1973, that is next year, one article of Noam Chomsky was published, and it was based on conditions on transformations. Talking about 1975, again in 1975, two works of his were published. One was Reflections on Language, and other was The Logical Structure of Linguistic Theory, which is also abbreviated as LSLT. Coming to 1981, a very important work of Chomsky's was published, and it was his Lectures on Government and Binding. So it becomes very important, and it has been asked also. Now in 1982, his view on the generative enterprise was published. Now in 1986, his two works were published. One was Barriers and the other was Knowledge of Language. Coming to 1993, the book Language and Thought was published, and it basically talks about the relationship of language with the thought process of human beings. Now 19 is the very important one, and it is called the recent one and the last work of Chomsky also, while he keeps on progressing, but it is a very milestone work in linguistics, and it is the Minimalist Program, and this book was published in 1995. So whenever chronological order has been asked, the Minimalist Programs comes in the last section. Okay. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like the video and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much.